Link Works Project, Introduction to PBLA, Part 2. An important part of PBLA is Assessment for Learning strategies. Assessment for Learning means that the purpose of assessment is not to give learners a final mark. The purpose of assessment is to give learners information that helps them improve their skills and be successful in the real world. In PBLA, teachers make sure learners understand the CLB criteria for assessment by writing criteria in learner-friendly language. They help learners internalize the criteria through completing self-assessments and peer assessments and learning for themselves what they need to improve. Learners also complete regular reflections on the learning styles and strategies used in class and at home. Self-assessment, peer assessment, and reflections help learners take control of their learning, become better learners, and improve their skills independently. When learners are ready to show what they can do in a module, they complete skill-using tasks and assessment tasks. In assessment tasks, learners formally and independently demonstrate their ability to complete the real-world task. Skill-using tasks are less formal practice of the real-world task and may include some scaffolding. Both assessment tasks and skill-using tasks are collected as artifacts, or evidence of ability, in learners' portfolios. 8 to 10 artifacts are the goal to evaluate learners' completion of the CLB level in each skill area. For both assessment tasks and skill-using tasks, learners receive action-oriented feedback. Action-oriented feedback focuses on the specific parts of the task that learners most need to improve for understanding and communication. Learners are given strategies and resources to help them study and practice, so the next time they do the task, they will be more successful. Action-oriented feedback is a key component in Assessment for Learning and PBLA. As you can see, there are a lot of parts to PBLA. Let's review the key components. Needs assessment to find out the real-world tasks learners need to work toward for their real lives. Backward planning to create skill-building lessons on the components of the real-world tasks. Alignment of the assessment and skill-using tasks to the CLB national standard. Assessment for Learning strategies in class to help learners become more independent. 8 to 10 artifacts in each skill area for evaluation. That's a goal of 8 to 10 skill-using tasks and assessment tasks combined. And finally, action-oriented feedback to help learners move forward. With all of these components, PBLA helps learners understand and communicate and succeed in the real world. End of Part 2.